Hi kids, it's Miss Stacy with the Latah County Library District, and today is our very first Curbside Crafts. Curbside Crafts are our to-go crafting kits for youth available at all 7 libraries in the Latah County Library District. Remember, your pickup times will vary depending on what branch you visit, so make sure you check with them before you show up to get your crafting kit. Well, let's take a look at what's in this week's crafting kit. All right, well, those projects look like a lot of fun, so let's go ahead and do them together. I'll show you how to do it and you can follow along with me, or you can watch the video and then you can tackle it on your own after. So let's dump out this kit and let's get to crafting. This week we created bookmarks, a monster bookmark and a scratchy art bookmark. So get to reading for summer reading with your favorite book, and when you need a little bit of a break, go ahead and pop your bookmark right in there, save that spot, go and do something fun outside, and when you're ready to enjoy your adventure again, you can pick up where you left off. All right, neighbors, remember to join us again next week where our craft will celebrate Mother Nature. Till next week, we'll see you later.